You've heard James say it a million times. Respect the Polygon. At Weather Call, we make the Polygon better. We call, text, or email you so you'll always know when you're in danger. No matter who you are, there's a Weather Call solution right for you. Check us out at weathercallservices.com.
It's the Monday morning weather briefing. This is for April 22nd. This is James Spann. It's a cold start, a little blackberry winter, I guess you might say, but temperatures warm up will be in the low 80s later this week. Let's check the upper air look early this morning. The wave that brought the rain over the weekend is now well to the east of the state and moving away. And it's a cold start. Looky here. We've got some spots in the mid-30s. Probably a touch of light frost, not everywhere, but for a few of the colder pockets. For example, places like Cullman, Jasper, Aniana, mid-30s, upper 30s for Winfield, Haleyville, and Gadsden, Pell City, but most spots are in the 40s over the northern half of the state. Montgomery 46, Dothan 49, Mobile 51. Highs in the mid to upper 60s today. For the northern half of the state, low 70s in South Alabama. Very dry air, should be just a beautiful day today. We'll check the watch warning map around the nation. Things are pretty calm. We've got freeze warnings in effect for some of the states up north. Wind advisories for some of the states out across the midsection. Today, there is a marginal risk of severe storms around Miami and Fort Lauderdale, down in South Florida. Tomorrow, a marginal risk around Wichita Falls and Childress, Texas. Day 3, which is Wednesday, again, a marginal risk over parts of West Texas and Oklahoma. Let's keep going. Day 4, this is Thursday. A risk of severe storms from parts of North Texas into Oklahoma and Kansas. This is Friday. A larger risk from Dallas-Fort Worth up to Tulsa, Kansas City, and Des Moines. And on Day 6, which is Saturday, we have a risk of severe storms defined again for parts of Texas, much of Oklahoma, and southern Kansas. So very active severe weather week ahead for areas west of the state, but not here. Here's a look at the rain for the next 5 days coming off the NBM National Blend of Models. The really big numbers north and west of here. For Alabama, just not a lot this week. You can see rain amounts generally under 1/2 inch, and for most places under 1/4 of an inch. And there could be a few little isolated showers maybe on a day or two over the next 5 to 7 days, but the big range will stay west of the state. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. Again, troughing on the Atlantic coast, moving away. A northwest flow aloft. A sunny, cool day today. Highs in the 60s for North Alabama, low 70s to the south. This is tomorrow, sunny with everybody in the 70s. Wednesday, we'll call it partly sunny, again highs in the mid to upper 70s. And Thursday, evidence we could see a few showers around. Not a big rain, not raining all day, but the chance of scattered showers on Thursday, cloudy at times, highs in the upper 70s. This is Friday as a ridge begins to build in where it'll be warm and dry, most likely, with low 80s. There might be a shower for North Alabama, but probably not many. And obviously, with a big surface low north of Lincoln, we've got a chance of severe storms well to the north and west of Alabama, but again, not here. So this is Saturday as the weekend begins, evidence that much of the state will be warm and dry. Better chance of showers over Tennessee. And the same thing on Sunday. Again, it just looks quiet here. Got a new surface low that's forming east of Denver. That could bring some snow to the mountains of Colorado and Wyoming. And again, another chance of severe storms south and east of that surface low. It's going to be very busy in terms of convection for parts of Oklahoma, Kansas, and North Texas late this weekend over the weekend, but not here. And a week from today, this is Monday the 29th. Trough coming out towards the Minnesota, the upper Midwest, ridging for the eastern states. And once again, we stay warm and dry as the ridge holds. Let's keep going. Let's go out 10 days. This is Wednesday of next week. May Day, 1st of May. Again, ridging in place just to the west, and evidence there could be a few showers around. But again, this morning, we just don't see any evidence of any super high impact event here for the next 10 days in terms of flooding or severe storms. It's just been very, we don't like to say that word, but it's been very Q here during our spring segment of the tornado season. We're very thankful for that. And look at this, just not much rain at all. This is amazingly dry for this time of the year. This is the rain for the next 15 days coming off the European ensemble. Between now and the 6th of May, we're looking for the green line, which is the mean of the ensemble members, and it's under 1 inch. How about that? Temperatures bouncing back after the cool spot we have today. Will be in the 60s today, 70s tomorrow through Thursday, low 80s for Friday and Saturday, then mid 80s for Sunday and much of next week. And the latest 8 to 14 day guidance. This is for April 29th through May 5th. We're in the red. Temperatures above average. That would suggest highs in the 80s. They're here. The cicadas. Of course, you get here all this hype stuff, the cicada invasion. It's going to be the end of times. No, it's not. It's just going to be loud. These photographs were taken in LaGrange, Georgia yesterday, and some of the bug experts say we're going to have, 1 trillion of these things coming out of the ground. So it's going to be loud, but that's just what they do. And we also should note our friends here are out and about now that we warmed up. This was taken up on a trail yesterday in North Alabama, so watch your step. Sunset last night was great. Boy, the weather really cleared nicely in time for the race at Talladega. This was taken, by the way, up in Madison County yesterday. But we had that big rain mass yesterday morning, moved out by late morning. The sky cleared and was just a really, really nice evening. It was Panama City Beach last night. If you're beach bound, weather looks just fine. Really, they could conceivably be dry for the next week on the Gulf Coast. And that moon was almost full last night. I think 94% illumination. That was the scene there in the sky over Etowah County. Look at the schedule this week. This morning headed out to Moody Elementary School in St. Clair County. Tomorrow, Crossville Elementary School up in DeKalb County. After that, I'll be speaking to the seniors at Pelham High School for a senior lunch. Wednesday, going to Tarrant Intermediate School. Thursday, Center Elementary School up in Cherokee County. And then Thursday evening, I'll be hosting the Alabama AGC Annual Awards at the club. That's always a fun event to attend. Friday morning in Homewood, the Trinity Child Development Center. And then Saturday, it's a book signing. We're going to be in Fayette on Saturday. And here's the deal. We're going to do a severe weather safety program. I'm going to talk. Most of the book signings, I don't do this, but we're going to do it Saturday. It's going to be at the Fayette Civic Center. And the severe weather presentation will be at 9, and then the book signing is 10 until noon. It's going to be at the Fayette Civic Center. So first one we've had in a while. Look forward to seeing everybody in Fayette on Saturday. Come by if you can. Don't forget this evening it's Weather Brains, the show for weather dweebs, geeks, nerds, dorks, and weenies. We'll start it at 7 o'clock Central Time on youtube.com/weatherbrains, the Weather Brains YouTube channel. Most people listen to the audio version, the podcast, if you will. That'll be out early tomorrow morning. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great Monday, and God bless.